boots.
Like them, aye. They're the same.
Mine's? No. They're different models, but mine's are. With everything there.
Aye.
Aye.
No, is it meant to be like a 500 gram drone though?
No, two. Aye. Oh, we need to lift them.
Oh, don't stay there, Paddy. Here's the camera.
What's that, Glen Tilt?
Glen Tilt.
Yeah. Right, good morning guys. It's Saturday, the 14th of February, and you join us back up in the Arrochar Alps. Today's target is going to be Beinn Luibhean. It's a Corbett, it's the last Corbett of today in the Arrochar Alps. Today I'm out with Paul, Ali, Dave, Robert, and I've got Paddy and Amber with us as well. Relatively short hike this, but the weather is fantastic, really good. Very cold, very crisp, very little cloud in the sky. So there we go, I'll catch you further along the way. Cheers mate.
You've got to come and try and join us. And he said,
I'm like a pro. Paddy, hiya pal. Hiya. Hey guys, that's us. We're only go for 50 minutes. We've just coming up for the 500 metre mark. Aye, views are starting to open up. No wind in here. Yeah, it's very sheltered in here, so there's not much in the way of wind. Starting to get hot now, so I'll probably have to take off a layer or two up here, maybe lose the hat. But so far so good. There's a really faint path on the grass that you follow up. It's frozen in places and it is a wee bit boggy, so probably in the summer times this could be pretty boggy.
Dead. The crest and all that was called dead and died. It was up there and it's lit up there.
That's nice. That's nice, isn't it? Come on, lads. What age are yous?
You semi-circle, hang
Send me that one. Whose phone's that? Mine. The dog.
Amber.
Here.
Yeah, what's this? You're taking pictures.
Both ways.
Look, I told you, I have got pals. But I had to give them a can of Coke and a packet of crisps each. Is that right, lads? Nice. There you go, guys. Summit the Beinn Luibhean. That took us 2 hours and 20 minutes. We're currently at 858 metres. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, lads.
Hold on, I'll just do a roundabout.
At first flash of Eden, we raced down to the sea. Standing there on freedom's shore, waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun. Can't you feel it now that spring has come? That it's time to live in the scattered sun. Waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun, waiting, 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 waiting for you to come along. Waiting for you to hear my song. Waiting for you.
Yeah, have a coffee for your fault. Coffee this
Oh, thank you.
mate.
Oh, nice.
Coffee, coffee. So guys, not a bad view. The cobbler here. Beinn Luibhean here. Beinn Luibhean there. There's Paulo Di Canio. Beinn Luibhean. Beinn Donic. The Brack. Not Conic. Wow, excellente. Excellente.
Nah, I'm not slide marsh. Quick slide.
Give that a go, fuck it. It's a pain in the ass because when it gets full of down and start getting slow on them and all that.
sliding.
No.
Come on, Dixie. We're Olympic. Go away.
Hey guys, that's us done. And back at the car. Great hike, fantastic hike, totally enjoyed it. I loved the wee brew at the summit. All in, we were 4 hours and 50 minutes. We done 6.5k. So, great trip. Great wee Corbett today. I think you come up and doing a Corbett. Probably no need for spikes now. I put mine on coming down, just for that wee bit of security on the way down. But aye, brilliant. So I'm going to sign off here, guys. If you've managed to watch us this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.
I'm feeling bold, and somehow I know where I'm going. The first clear day of a cold grey year, and lo and behold, I'm all alone in a dipper on a stone, telling me this is his home.